another bluebird day out here with Georgina. It was snowing like crazy yesterday, and now it's bright blue, very sunny, very powdery, and we're having a great time. And here comes Georgina. Like that?
Yeah, I think I nearly fell on my own halfway.
She's never fallen. She hasn't fallen all the time we're here. Oh my god. Look at you. Yes. Look at that. Give us a twirl. Oh! God, it's Shiba time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And this is where we live. So cute. Hey. Wee, 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 wee. Oh my god. Georgina, no. Hold the doggies back. To try a new course today. It's not going well. This is, you can see my wreckage here as I've just slid off and straight into this area here.
You're on your third
This is
full
my third fall in like
20
5
seconds.
minutes. It's not
Yeah.
been good.
Poor boy.
I made it. 1 GB, here we go. 10:30 AM.
He needs
First
help.
break time.
He needs help. That was a bad run for Joe. Let's hope he can get his confidence back.
I just think I was so lucky.
He didn't die.
My finger's still working. Whoa, she's going so fast. That was, I don't know what day it is anymore. Day 6 or 5. I hurt myself real bad last time, so I'm really scared. That's Georgina there. You might notice something a little different about Georgina today, and that's because today Georgina is on a snowboard. All over Japan they have these luxury ice creams called creameria, and they're like twice the other ice creams. I finally got one. It's very milky. Oh yeah. It's Georgie. Day 1 on the snowboard. She's already shredding it. We made it to the Assocaited bell. If you ring the bell, you will have happiness, Georgina. Ring it, Georgina, quick! Quick! Yay! Oh yeah, she's snowboarding, baby. Here she comes. Whoa, there it is. So this is one of the onsen with an amazing view. I'm naked right now, so don't look for any reflections. Normally these are totally full, so I thought I'd film one because it's quite hard to get pictures or videos inside. So this is what we're normally looking at when we're having a nice bath here. What's up YouTube? I got Dodie here and today we're in Matsumoto. home of one of Japan's oldest still standing castles. The plum blossoms in blooming. It's our first good one we've seen yet, and we're going to see more at the castle. Let's go.
So we're here at Miso factory in Matsumoto, and we're gonna try the miso soft ice cream. Tastes like miso. So here I have some very fine 3-year aged miso, red miso soup. Beautiful. I can smell it. It smells like fine wine. Flavors of nuttiness.
Oh my god. This is Yayoi Kasuma. I know Roxanne has a little mango of this one. Thanks, Roxanne. This is crazy. The vending machine signed by Yayoi Kasuma with custom Coca-Cola cans. Unbelievable. We are here at Nawate Street, which is famous for its froggy products. And this little froggy girl, she loves froggy.
Ribbit.
Ribbit time. We're having a ribbiting good time. Let's see some froggy. Get your box of knives.
Looks like a good
Don't
quality
do anything
knife.
rash, Georgina. Don't do anything rash. Don't do anything rash.
What you said to me 10 years ago?
Don't do anything
Well,
rash.
I've been thinking about it. What are you doing here? Ribbit.
Having a ribbiting time. Whoa. Having ice cream.
That's 2 ice creams to Jejo. That's too many.
This is Matsumoto Castle, almost 400 years old. The only castle we've seen since we got to Japan. That it is still the original castle. It hasn't been struck by lightning, hasn't been knocked over in an earthquake. This is the same one from 400 years ago that's been maintained.
Oh my god. Oh, show me the plum blossoms.
I got already.
Currently on a secret mission to give my boyfriend a hug without him noticing. Wish me luck. Hello, my name's Georgina, and I'm currently in Japan, and I'm filming my boyfriend for a secret video.
What? That's exactly what you said a couple of seconds ago. I don't understand.
I've engaged the suspect. He's not aware he's currently being
You're
hugged.
engaged. Why are you recording this? I can't use this.
Here we have a wild Joseph. He's currently sleeping. Oh, he's awake. Never mind. Did you even notice I'm recording him? He is too busy looking at his laptop.
one's from Matty Powell. Okay, I'm messing around here. Does that look cool this time?
Yeah, well cool, mate, well cool.
Cool this time?
Yeah. Wow. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Snow duck.
Quack, quack, quack.
Activate. Georgina.
What's this?
The snowball mag gun. See? Makes the snowballs. Shoots the snowballs.